있다. 보름달 보자. 있다야. 잘 올라온다. 있다. 잘 올라온다. Hi, good morning. What are you doing now?
I'm putting a stone underneath this,
Uh-huh.
so when I put the eggs, it does not come out.
Okay, good. Good idea. Yeah, I can help you. Little bit. This side. Yeah, bring this side a little. Pulling this side a little bit more. 5 centimeter. I think okay.
Okay.
Oh, no problem. Ah. Cooking time is not so good idea. This.
네.
Aha, good. How long stay in Korea?
I stay 1.5. I lived here 1.5 years. We lived here about half a year.
Here. Waiting is better.
But I traveled to Korea many times before. I came to Korea for my first time in 2012, and then 2012 in the winter, during Christmas actually, and it was snowing on Christmas, and it was so cold.
Yeah, that is cold.
But then I come back about once every year. Yeah. Now I'm going to Thailand
Good.
next week, but I will come back to Korea again soon.
Good. Thailand is an amazing place. I love there.
Yes.
Yeah.
Very beautiful,
Yeah.
passionate people, delicious food.
Yeah, of
Well,
course.
I'm sorry to say Korea, but Thai food is
Thai
너무
food.
맛있어요. Thai food is
No. Difference. It's a different
네.
style. But the Thai food is also really delicious. I love that.
네.
No, Kaosan.
Oh,
Kaosan Road.
Khaosan Road.
Yeah.
But Khaosan Road is kind of like Itaewon or some.
Yeah, but it's a long time ago. So I love there. That street. It's it's my best camp. But this time I'm traveling again. But it's no good. It's because
It is-
so big noisy
It is
and many
too
people.
loud
Yeah.
and really bad
Yeah,
music,
yeah.
and everybody try to. All the people from the bars would be like, "Oh, come to our bar!"
Yeah.
They bump into you on the street, but it's better to go to one of the small bars on the side
Yeah,
streets
yeah,
nearby,
yes,
but not
yes,
on
yes.
Khaosan Street
Yeah.
itself.
Yeah.
Walking about 5 or 10 minutes from Khaosan Road, and there's some nice jazz bars.
Without bread, something?
No bread.
No bread.
Should have brought.
네, 미국인 유튜버라고 합니다. 한국말을 곧잘 하는데요. 한 1년 반 정도 머물렀다고 합니다. 이름은 안 물어봤다.
네.
What's your name?
제 이름은 Mitch, Korean Mitch. So search me on YouTube, Korean Mitch 검색해 주세요. 아니면 한국어로 한국 문화를 좋아하는 미치 한리 검사해주세요.
미치 않니?
고맙습니다.
미치 않니?
미치 한리.
You like a cat?
Yes.
Aha. Yesterday night is you told me is your house is 7 cat?
2 cats,
2 cat.
but I have not seen them in 7 months.
아하. 오호. 오. 피타. What's your name? Your name?
Alan.
Alan.
Yes.
잔치. 동생이야, 동생. 음식해. 삐따. 삐따. 잔치. 삐따. 소풍 왔습니다. 소풍. 우리 좀 바빠서 한 번도 못 오고 지금 처음 오는 건데요. 우리 동네 형들하고 소풍 왔습니다. 우리 도깨비 형, 한식이 형, 그리고 우리 오늘의 게스트, 야, 아메리칸 앨런 and 헨리.
네, 한리.
헨리
안녕하세요.
앨런. 야, 미국에서 왔습니다. 한국말을 너무 잘해요. 수수 막걸리랑 김밥을 써서 왔고 LA 갈비입니다.
우리 간다.